Hi children, good morning everybody. I hope you are safe at home. Now, are you ready to learn English? How many lessons we learned? Yes, lesson 1 and lesson 2. Do you know the first lesson's name? Yes, the worry. What we learned from that lesson? We learned about King Vidyadhara. Who was he? King Vidyadhara was the king of Gandhara. He was a just and wise king. And we learned that he did not have any children. And as he grew older, the people of the country became more and more worried. And in the second lesson, the name of the lesson, a proclamation. A proclamation. We saw that to find his successor, King Vidyadhara, thought of an idea. What was his idea? He decided to give seeds to the children of his country, and those who grows the biggest and the finest plant will become the prince or the princess. And the king ordered his minister to give a proclamation about this. And second lesson also over. And the third lesson, do you know the heading of the lesson, name of the lesson? Seed of Hope. What is that? Seed of Hope. Hope you know? H-O-P-E, hope. Pradisha. Seed means വിത്ത്. പ്രതീക്ഷയുടെ വിത്ത്. എന്താണ് സംഭവിക്കുക? Then what happened? Like that the king ordered, the minister gave a proclamation, and the next day what happened? You look. Lesson 3. I will read it. You listen very carefully. Lesson 3. Seed of Hope. Seed of Hope. The next day, a long line of anxious parents and children formed outside the palace. Everyone was eager to get a seed and grow the best plant. Pingala, a poor farmer's son, was one among these children. He too got a seed from the king and sowed it in a pot in his garden. He took great care of the seed. That much only. Once again listen. Seed of hope. Seed of hope. The next day, a long line of anxious parents and children formed outside the palace. After the proclamation of king, the next day, a long line of anxious parents. Spell out anxious. A-N-X-I-O-U-S. What is that word? Anxious. Feeling worried or troubled. Feeling worried or troubled. Why they were so worried? They were so worried about they will get it or not, when they will get it. We saw that there was a long line of children and parents. They formed outside the palace. They came and stood outside the palace for getting what? For getting the seed. From whom? From the king. And everyone was eager to get a seed and grow the best plant. Everyone, each and everyone, all of them were very interested. Eager. E-A-G-E-R. What is that word? Eager. E-A-G-E-R. They were very interested to get a seed and to grow the best plant. All those who came there very interested to get the seed from the king and to grow the best plant. Pingala, a poor farmer's son, was one among these children. One among those children, one farmer's son was there. What was his name? Do you know? Yes, Pingala. Spell out his name, spelling Pingala, Pingala. Who was Pingala? Pingala was a poor farmer's son. Why did he come there to the palace? To collect seed from the king. Like that all other children, that poor farmer's son, Pingala also reached there to get seed from the king and to grow the best plant. He too got a seed from the king and sowed it in a pot in his garden. And Pingala also got seed from the king, and he went in his house and he sowed it in a pot and sowed it in a pot in his garden. He went to his house and sowed that seed in a pot in his garden. What did he do with that seed? He sowed it, SOWED, വിത്ത് പാകി, മുളയ്ക്കുവാൻ വേണ്ടി വിത്ത് ഒരു പോട്ടിനുള്ളിൽ പാകി. അവൻ്റെ ഗാർഡനിൽ ഒരു പോട്ടിനുള്ളിൽ ആ സീഡ് അവൻ പാകി. SOWED, sowed. He sowed it in a pot. Where did he sow? He sowed it in a pot in his garden. അവൻ്റെ ഗാർഡനിൽ. He took great care of the seed and also he gave more attention and care to his seed. Yes. New words you listen. Next. Anxious, parents, children, formed, palace, everyone, eager, Pingala, among, 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 children, sword, garden, great, 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 care, CARE. Then one question is given here in your textbook. How many days will it take for a seed to sprout? How many days will it take for a seed to sprout? Sprout. Do you know the meaning of sprout? Have you learned in 4th class in science? SPROUT, to start to grow. മുള വരുവാൻ തുടങ്ങുക, വിത്ത് മുളച്ച് പൊങ്ങുന്നതിനാണ് സ്പ്രൗട്ട് എന്ന് പറയുക. SPROUT. വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദാറ്റ് വേർഡ്? സ്പ്രൗട്ട്. വാട്ട് കെയർ വിൽ യു ഗിവ് ടു ഗ്രോ എ സീഡ് ഇൻ ടു എ പ്ലാന്റ്? What can you do to make a seed into a best plant? What are the things you have to do? How many days will it take for a seed to grow? At least I think that 3 or 4 days will take it to sprout, a seed to sprout. And what care will you give to grow a seed into a plant? To grow a seed into a plant, the need water, manure, sunlight, good fresh air, everything. If you are giving all these things, your seed will grow it as a best plant. Then one more time I will read for you. Lesson 3, Seed of Hope. The next day, a long line of anxious parents and children formed outside the palace. Everyone was eager to get a seed and grow the best plant. Pingala, a poor farmer's son, was one among these children. He too got a seed from the king and sowed it in a pot in his garden. He took great care of the seed. Children, read this small lesson 2 or 3 times and write down the new words back side of your notebook and learn the spelling. All the best. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye.